Okay, I've changed from this. We've used this for the rough, to get most of the rust off, or all the rust. This is a 80 grit abrasive nylon. These are great. You can get up again. They'll still eat the hide off of you. See what gloves are good. And I've changed to 120 grit, a blue one. And I have worked it just a little bit. You can see it's shining just a little bit more each time. It's starting to really come together pretty. It's gonna be neat. You're talking about medieval, the first medieval slingshot. That's heavy. That's gonna take a heavy, be able to handle a really heavier band than I can. But with this attachment here, I'll get creative. And then I'm gonna, after I do a little bit more with the blue brush, then I'll put on a buffing wheel and just see if I can get it shinier. It's just raw iron. See you soon. I'm going to show a little bit of the working with the blue brush. You got to be careful when you're doing with the real stiff brush because it'll grab. And it's the nylon wheel too, but it's a little more forgiving. Okay, I'm going to put the buffing wheel on and see you later. Okay, I'm going to use a little polishing compound. This is for hard metal, aggressive compound used on iron, steel, and other metals. I'm just going to take and kind of work this around here because it'll get on the brush or the pad right quick. Some people crank up and run, crank up the thing, let it run, but I tend to get these bound up a little bit too much and kind of match them up. So I just kind of put a little bit of that on there. I'm going to change the soft pad off and put a little more rigid pad. That way I can put pressure up against it, and I think it'll work a little better on the iron. Shine it up quite well. I'll still use some compound, but we'll see how that works. Quite a bit of difference from here to right there. Of course the angle's a little different, but I think this is going to shine up really well. Kabam! Okay, I'm going to use a little, this is Blue Magic, but metal polish. Just real little amount goes a long way. Plenty for all of, probably too much. Smells like ammonia. It's really working on really working on this metal, this iron, even though it's really polished. See how it's getting all dull, and the more you rub it, that's some good stuff. It's good on stainless. That's had to be, I think, I'm gonna say it was Blue Magic, Pure Magic. I'm just gonna kind of get the bulk out. Oh yeah, get between there. Let's see if we get it. Now it's a lot slicker. I bet that'll put a shine